Hey everyone, I am back again, this time with another Toastmaster spinner, a little 36-inch spinner. I got this one at Habitat Restore, not far from where I live in Wauwatosa in Milwaukee. And this is actually identical to my other fan collector friend, Aiden. It's a kid collector who I've also started doing fan stuff with. This is over where my drums, I just took them down. This is his over here that I put up over the drums, and I found this one at Habitat, and they saved it for me in the back, so... Oh yeah, this one's also a variable speed, so I got it set to low. And let's see what it does. And right now it's drawing 0.34. Let's see what it speeds up to. As I recall, I don't remember the variable speed. I don't know if this one has it or not, but a low speed trim inside. But this is actually... This is what a lot of people, I myself, would expect a 36-inch low to even be. Well, this is actually starting to get a little fast for a low, but it is such a little fan that you do need a faster speed for a low just to start moving some air, even if it's gentle. So it's drawing, okay, it's finally down to 0.32. So I don't know if this one has it or not. So, but anyways, I'm going to start going up a little. 0.334. Didn't do much. 0.38. It's flopping between 0.37 and 0.38. It's a little bit hummy, but I can't really hear it. 0.42. See, up it's maybe I think okay, it's dropping 0.38. I think I saw an inrush when I sped it up, so I gotta make sure that I let it speed up before reading the current, because sometimes when I do a variable speed I get a little inrush. So it's 0.41 now. I'm gonna 0.45, and I think and here's complete high all the way up with 0.51 amps, so basically half an amp on high. It's a good current draw, that's not bad. Okay, time for spin down. And looking at the fan, there's no reverse, so I'm gonna go right to the decade box after it spins down, and so far I like what this does. Even though there's not much air movement off of it on high, just under it there is, so it's a little fan, so wasn't much of an air movement, just to let you know. But I love having it over the drums. I get enough air over it. Because even if it's just over me playing the drums, then I'll be fine with that. Although I prefer full-size fans over the drums. Still spinning down. It does have a long spin down. Yeah, still spinning down. Oh, wow. It's a long spin down. Definitely good bearings, I'll say that. Yes, that's a long spin. Okay, on to the decade box. And I want to see what I get out of a capacitor wall control. See what I can do, what kind of control. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it starts on 4 with 0.2. Okay. Yeah, this would not be very effective. Here's 5 with 0.26. Let's just see what this one does. What kind of low speed I would get out of this. I'm gonna go on. Take a look. Okay. 0.26 on 5 microfarads. Still, I don't know that this would be an effective low. Here is 6 microfarads with 0.31, flopping between 0.31 and 3.2. So actually, I mean, this is spot on with its factory low. And this is starting to become more of an effective low for a 36-inch blade span. Alright, here's 7.37. If I were to put this on a capacitor base, I'm guessing I'm going to be using a 6814, which is what I had on my 85 era gold line. Worked perfectly on that. Here is 8.43. Okay, so here's like your low medium. 9.49. Oh, I'm not too sure. See if it drops any. I'm already close to high, already on 9, so it's already speeding up. Alright, let's see what 10 does. Whoa, I'm already over on 10. Okay, when I hit 10 microfarads, I'm already over 0.51. If I hit high, 0.51 is my high. So if I go to 10, I'm going to pull it off here. I'm going to show you on the rig here. Here is the decade box. 0.49. If I go to 10, yep, I go over. So I already know, I've determined that a 4-speed wall control is not going to work on this fan of any kind, because high medium would put it over, way over. Yep, it keeps drawing more current. I just hit the 10 real briefly, and it already made a big jump, so I'm not gonna... There really is not much I can use on this. Alright. The last test I'm going to do, since I already did variable speed with the speed knob up there, I'm going to do 0 to high, and that'll be it for this fan. Here we go. 0.81, and it's going to drop. And it's dropping all the way to 0.51, so it was a big inrush on 0 to high, but it dropped all the way down from 0.81 to 0.51. Alright, I don't need to do solid states, so that is all I have for this little 36-inch Toastmaster spinner fan, and I'll see you next time with another fan. Thanks for watching.